So Linda Chapel is fighting with Ndoyisile. Wasingaze Ndoyisile. Ndoyisile is a Zimbabwean influencer who is based in South Africa and is also gay. Let me just read post ya Olinda panapa ya posta because ndiye atanga kudena panapa. Hanzi avasisi bhuti ndo vanonzi vane zvivindi. One Zimbabwean who attended Durban July ava abatwa kuti muzimba. Olinda I think aatozive kuti Ndoyisile anozikama kuti she's already a Zimbabwean. Because pamene article yanga share kan Zimbabwean TikTokers Durban July appearance get Mzansi asking questions. Rangari briefly ndo yakashare and everyone anoita social media I think kuti vanhu vakawanda vanoziva ma-socialites edu and the likes vanotiza kuti Ndoyisile is more ku South African side than to us isusu. But panapa hanzi na Linda Chapel Sisi Budi vakabatwa kuti muZimbabwean. Already she has been like recently akatoita top billing aida kuita akato picture for kuchitsvaga ma-presenter search akato picture vanhu vakati timude because she is Zimbabwean handika. Ndoyisile haana kutoenda kuDurban July kwacho kuri kutaurwa kunzi akaenda kuDurban haana kutoenda but he actually got my pictures akaita I think photoshoot akapfeka theme yanga iriko yecowboy chet asi hapana kwaakaenda. Ndoyisile was busy over the weekend achitoti sakamirira vaenda kuDurban July kuti vaposte mapictures and then Ndoyisile anodawo noise ndobva arespondawo kuna Olinda. Ndichaitawo ndichi I don't know kuti ndichakwanisa kubatanidza here ndevele yacho iri panapa iri kunyorwa panapa but anyway vanhu vese vabva vaataka like maposta aNdoyisile ari kuisaka vanhu vari kubva vaataka Olinda Chapel. Hanzi isize zakhe siphethe ama-Thompson nga-2 each ngesifuba yena ubhizi ula calling me abasisi bhuti. Yeyi wena gogo ungalinge ngekuku efutha ama-ish. You think by sleeping with musicians your kuku sikwazi ukucula isoprano. Anzi Chico. Okay, I'm not going to. Kanzi you go low, I drag you to hell. And then Dovazothi Umdala Sis Olinda, maybe it's because I had some bit of respect for you, but then I remembered you thrive on drama. Every day you want to pick on people. Don't you get tired? Don't look for fights where there are none, especially with someone way younger than you. Do your research before you come for me. Nikulanda fresh. Chi. So Olinda Chapel, to summarize whatever, Olinda Chapel, do your research. And the uri munhu mukuru iwe unoda drama. Ende vanhu vari kuita kukuza kuti yes wamwana wamugona. Iye Olinda also said panapa, why are you fighting me for commenting on a public article? Have you gone to every comment and person that was on that post and asked them why they are trolling you or why they wrote about you? You went to the event knowing how they feel about Zimbabweans at the moment. Don't be in public if you can't take people's comments. You decided that out of all those people, Olinda is the one to attack. Why made me so special in your selection criteria? And all I said was you were brave to attend under the current circumstances. I won't take my words back and I don't succumb to threats of being dragged. You are not the first and will never be the last. Chapel. Ndoyana kuyenda. I mean, where did you get the wrong narrative and you're now fighting? Nenya iri wrong. Nenya isipo. I don't think Kuti Olinda Chapel really knows Ndoyisile to that extent. Arakumuvengera ere kuti ndewe kumusha kunobva Titan. Amen. I don't know. Why are you dragging Ndoi? And then Ndoyisile also responded, I got to where I am at a young age through hard work and content creation, not a British passport that someone acquired after paying huge amounts and lies on visa applications or sleeping with musicians. Thank God I don't get pregnant. You all go overseas to work as caregivers. Then after 2 to 5 years, you get citizenship and start acting like you are better than people. Nothing is glamorous about moving overseas. We know all the details, but you will never see us judging you or saying anything. Instead, we congratulate you for breaking generational cycles. Now, just because you hold a red passport, you want to act like God's greatest gift on earth. Sit your bleaching ass down. You once suffered before you got that. Don't ever think you are better than any human being. You know very well that I can start a storm that will go international. I don't trend locally. I break borders. Think twice before because you won't like my scream, and that's on ndoisile. I think kuti panapaka audangotitaridza sisi kuti British passport yamaibreaka nayo iyoyoyo isusu panapa we are where we are because of content creation. And imimi, you've been sleeping with musicians, you've been sleeping your way up to be where you are. Hari kuti akumudzikisira munoziya zvikanzi now you want to be like nyaya yekunzi hanzi sit your bleaching ass down. She was also told by South Africans kuti you bleached zvikanzi I'm mixed race. Zvikana maSouth African uri mixed race kuita sei kwacho chinoratidza isusu toziva vanhu vari mixed race, iwa hausi tonyatsovaziva vanhu akarambirwa kaunzi mukaradhi Olinda. And then let me just read a last post from Ndoi. And now, why did you block me, Auntie? Because I can't find your page anymore. Are you telling me that all people that posted Durban July pictures shot on the day and everyone attending the event who can raise their hand and say they saw me in Durban, I'll give them 20,000 rands right now. I know people like you thought you'll make fun of me and I'll not respond. Unfortunately, you found me boiling after paying bills and school fees. If your post was innocent, why did you call me Abasisi Budi? You posted on Threads because you know a lot of people are not active there, thinking that I won't see it. Too bad I'm on Threads too, and Instagram suggested your post to me. You have no idea what it took for me to be where I am and be comfortable in my skirt. The bullying, the hatred, I'll be damned if some random woman can come and think they can make fun of me. Hey, ndo posti ya imwe ya uyu. Then anake Tina were also hyping mu comment section ya iye Ndoisile. Ketina commented kuti Worinda mixed masala kara dishungu, who is your father when askala soko bocha Worinda. Anyway, and then she thought Zimbabwean we stood up for her nonsense. No one likes her. She's a virus in our community. And I saw a lot of negative comments about Olinda. I don't know why people hate Olinda so bad like this. I think yes, she reported on something that is wrong, but manje munobva mazoenda kunoratidza because Ndoisile ane mafollowers ka ukoko imi mozoenda muno ataka wenyu manje kazinyatso muonese picture yakanaka manje pakadai so hazvide confusion yakadaro unless muchitaura nerurimi rwamai manje muchitaura nechirungu aiwa hazviratidze picture yakanaka. Ngativenganei, but ngativenganei kunhu kwatinoziva kuti kumapages edu havafi vakasvika, but mukanonyora uko hazvinyatsoite zvakanaka. I mean, ari wrong, but Olinda ari wrong on all levels kuti haana kuresearch, angotanga nekungo ataka munhu waasiri kutombozoti zviri kufamba sei. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. Manya Eva, so subscribe, please make sure that you are subscribed and see you in my next video.